Okay, you're on.
Yeah. So this is the dance tutorial video for the song If by Janet Jackson. So I will teach you the dance break, which is 5 counts of 8. Okay? So let's start. This is the first count of 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and... So let me break it down. Let's do the legs first. So for the legs, you have to start closing your knees, open your knees, close your knees, open your knees, close your knees, open your knees. And you need to travel to the left at the same time. Okay? Close, open, close, open, close, open. As for the hands, you're gonna have to do 1 and 2 and. So you do 1 and 2 and. Okay, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. And for the head, let me add the head now. So you do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay? So don't be 90 degrees, it's more like bent like this. Okay? So let me show you the full count of 8 with the legs, everything. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So you look left with the fist together. So this one, it's in case you do it to the left, but I want you guys to be able to do it both sides, from the right to the left and from the left to the right, just like in the video, because people do it crossing. Okay? So if you do it from the left to the right, that's all the same thing. But instead of looking left, you will look to the right. So let me show you from the left to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay? The only difference is that you travel to the right and you look to the right instead of the left. Okay? I'll do it again and then we move on to the next count of 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Then you do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 5, 6, 7 and 8. Again. So you do fist to the right on 1, to the left on 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and. I do it again. So you do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Again, so you do right, left, up, right. And you do right arm, left arm, right arm. Both arms together, down, then you do right, left, and then 8. Okay? Again, and then I move on. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then you do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you put your weight on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you put your weight on 1 and 2. You slap your leg on N2. You do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? Then from there you do and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So you travel to the left in this pose and you travel with open, close, open, close, open, close. Let me show you again this kind of 8. So you do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Did you get that? One more time. From where? From the traveling over there. Okay? 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Did you get that? So at the very end you do 7 and 8. And your legs always open, close. I do it one more time, then I show you the last kind of 8. So it's 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so now this is the last kind of 8 for this song. So you did 7 and 8. Then you do 1, 2. Okay, so at first you face the left. 1, 2. Then you face the audience. 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let me show you again. So you did 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Does it make sense? So now let me show you again the full routine. 5 kind of 8, but I will do the one when I start from the right to the left. Okay? So the whole thing now. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. And I do it one more time from the left to the right this time, just for you. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that's it. Good luck.